Hi everyone, welcome along today. Today's video concerns waste pipes, and if you've got waste pipes that join up together somewhere along the line and you find you get the old gurgling and what have you and blockages in the main where they join up, you might have a basin join up to a bath waste and find you get water coming up out the bath trap, this type of thing. It's usually because waste pipes are joined and you get a blockage basically where the join is. That one pipe then normally goes into a soil stack. The reason I've done that is because you can't get easily a connection to that soil pipe. Now, the best bet is to get a connection separately into the soil stack. So if you can find a way to get to your soil pipe with a waste and separately run each one in so they're not joined up anymore, then you'll find you have no more trouble from there on in. So today's video is showing you how to cut a spur into a soil pipe so that you can attach a waste in from anything that you happen to be running that's joined at the moment. So if say it's a bath waste going into a basin waste, then you could run say the bath waste separately into the stack with a connection of this sort. So that's what I'm going to show you today. It's under the house again where the soil stack is here, and I'll show you how to cut one in. Here then is all the parts we're going to need. Just this here, and this is the boss that we're going to strap around the main soil pipe. It's fairly simple, as you can see, and it just uses two bolts to clamp round into the pipe. So only tools you really need is a drill and a hole cutting set like this one. I've got the right size hole cutter here ready for it, so now we're going to dive down and do the hole. Here then we have our soil stack coming down, and we're going to put a hole in it just along here, and this is going to be for the pipe from the bath waste, which at the moment joins in with the sink waste. So I'm going to cut that around about there on the top of there with the drill. A bit awkward under here, but most plumbing jobs are very awkward. It's just the nature. So I can't show you the actual drilling, just where it's going to go. There's our pipe, and I'm going to drill it so it's in the top, and that way the water can flow straight down and into the pipe and away. So this one's horizontal. A lot of you are probably doing vertical pipes, but if you're horizontal, best to go in on the top like this. There we have it then, hole drilled. So unfortunately I needed both hands, so I couldn't let the camera focus in, but it's dead easy to drill through. Right, and there's the piece in the hole cutter there that I've cut out. Make sure that the piece doesn't drop into the soil pipe. Most times it does stick onto the end of the hole cutter though, you should be okay. Clean this hole up now and get it ready for insertion of our inlet. So once we've cleaned our hole up, we can place our piece around, just make sure it fits in there nicely like so. Just show you there. Make sure it's a good snug fit inside, and we're ready now to glue it up to high heaven. This is where you need your solvent weld, and that's this stuff here. I'm using the Osma, so I like to have plenty around the actual hole itself and get plenty of this around it and inside of it. Make sure it's well covered. Okay, I've done the pipe now. I also like to put plenty around this as well before it goes in to make a good seal. So we're okay and all ready now, so we'll get it over the hole and we're going to drop it in there snugly. And you'll feel that glue get a good grip on it, really will bite it. And then we're ready to do the strap up, which we'll have coming through around the back of here. We have a strap there, we'll bolt it through there. There we have it clamped in, really. It's taken nicely. I can feel it's got a real good grip on it there, so I'm happy with that. And now we've just got to get the bolt done through here. I've done the bolt on the other side, so I've only one to do up. So I'm just tightening up the last screw this side, the other side's done. That feels good. That's a nice tight job in there now. And we now have our joint in there ready for our bath waste pipe to run separately into the stack. There we have it then, and our pipe's now connected and running off to our bath trap. There we are then. Hope that's helped you out a little bit with that one. Not too bad a job, is it? Really. Okay, all my videos, you know where to go. Usual place, Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.